Hello everybody, Transportation Hero here, and welcome to Worksop, situated on the Brigg line and the end of the Robin Hood line. Today you are going to be seeing stopping services by Northern and East Midlands trains. This is my first video of my new channel because I've fused our train, Supertram fan and UK buses together to create this, so I can film all public transportation in one channel. So that'll be better. So let's see what shall arrive in the parts here at Worksop. Enjoy. Now getting ready to depart from platform 2 is the 12:38 East Midlands train service to Nottingham, going at Whitwell, Cheswell, Langwith, Footwing, Shirebrook, Mansfield Woodhouse, Mansfield, Sutton Parkway, Kirby in Ashfield, and Nottingham. 153321. Now arriving into platform 1 is the 13:15 Northern service to Sheffield from Lincoln Central. 142096. That one. That way. Not that one. That one. Now leaving platform 1 is the 13:15 Northern service to Sheffield from Lincoln Central. 142096. It's a class 142 pacer. And I think I see the headlights of the trains that's supposed to be arriving. It's about 3 minutes late. Now arriving into platform 2 is the about 4 minutes delayed 13:15 Northern service to Lincoln Central from Sheffield. It is formed of a class 142 pacer. 142045. I saw that earlier in Sheffield. It's one of the electronic display pacers. I shall end the video after this train has departed. About to depart from platform 2 is the 5 minutes delayed, 4 minutes delayed Northern service 13:15 Northern service to Lincoln Central from Sheffield. 142045. And I shall end the video here. So thank you all for watching my first video on the Transportation Euro. If you like what you see and would like more, then comment down below. The next thing, I shall be doing multiple transport videos on this channel, not just trains. So I could be doing buses, trams, trains, airplanes, etc. Even boats, so, even trips as well. Since my name's Transportation Euro, I shall be taking you with me on holiday. So my next station for train spotting will be Sheffield. So like, subscribe, and I shall see you another time. Goodbye.